Okay, so I got a new toilet and I want to install it. Toilets are very easy to install. There's of course the two flange bolts on the side of the base of the toilet, 2 or 3 bolts to put on the tank, and of course hook the water up, put on the toilet seat, and it's done. Pretty easy. Well, not for me, because the wonderful plastic flange here broke in the past at some point, and they put on these metal brackets to repair it. It's like a little repair kit, and of course those are all rusted out, and the screws that hold the flange down to the subfloor are all rusted, and the heads broke off. I mean, stainless steel, people. Stainless steel screws exist. Unfortunately, they have this kit by Odie. Let's see. This little kit here. So this sits on here, and it has these tabs in the corner that stick out, so you can screw down into the subfloor outside of the flange, and it holds everything down. You can put your bolts in. Of course, I have stainless steel screws. I'm not sure if they're going to be long enough. They should be. And of course I have to drill through tile now, so they wanted $10 for one of these, and then they have this kit for a kit of 4 for $15. So I figured if I'm gonna buy these, I might as well buy the kit, because I might use them in the future for something. So anyway, I want to get the toilet installed and get this bracket here installed. See how it works out. Okay, I got this installed. Went a lot deeper than I thought, so I had to resort to the stainless steel deck screws, but those work fine, nice and solid. I got the flange bolts installed here, so all I have to do is set the toilet on there. Don't forget to remove the cup that's blocking the sewer gases. The tile bit worked great, went right through that tile easy. Just have to make sure to lubricate it with water, and it works very well. Okay, so now I'll set the toilet on there and hopefully finish this job up without any more surprises. Okay, it's installed. Like I said, it's pretty easy once I got the flange part figured out. No leaks yet noticed. So yeah, hopefully it works out. I still have to clean up and make sure there's no leaks and caulk around the bottom there. My friend was asking me what kind of toilet to get. I just bought a, what is this thing? It's a $200 Sterling by, I think it's by Kohler or something like that. $200. I wouldn't go with a cheap one. I'd get an oblong bowl. Bowl heights, I think they're like 16.5 inches. They call it tall. I think that's pretty standard now. And make sure your flange bolts from the wall should be 12 or 13 inches or so. If it's less than that, you'll have to go with a space saver type toilet. But I know your bathroom and you got plenty of room there, so. Well, that's it for this project. Thanks for watching.